Hey guys, back again. This video I'm gonna be removing these side steps or running boards. It should be pretty easy, I think. Like a 12 mil, I think. Very simple. You just have 3 brackets holding this whole thing together, one on the end, one in the middle, and the third one in the front. Each bracket has 2 bolts. Okay, last bolt is out. All right, here it is. It actually has those bracket bolts, and then also it has like a little hole right here, right there, and it has this little pin here, or I don't know, you have to slide it out. So I would recommend taking off the steps from the bracket first. This compared to this side, it looks so much higher. Dang, I like it. That's pretty nice. Okay, here it is. Got the step off. Now just taking off these brackets. And man, that looks good already. It looks higher too. You know, I like this. All right, look at this. Man, it looks beautiful actually. It looks a lot higher. Oh yeah, I dig this. It's not bad. Oh yeah. So here they are. These are old ones. Might throw these away because the threads are snapped off, or unless they're replaceable, I don't know. We'll see. But here's the old ones. Man, I really do like them. It looks pretty decent. It looks like as if I lifted it even more. Oh wow. Sweet.